it's one of the best compliments. You know, I also read it somewhere कि या तो तब्बू को ले लो या मोना को ले लो, मूवी में credibility आ जाती है. Life is full of ups and downs. I have seen both, and whatever work I did in 2023 was because of Lal Singh.
Welcome to Money Control Mona. She's a name that needs no introduction. आप सबकी प्यारी जस्सी बनकर इन्होंने पूरे भारत और हमारा भी दिल जीता है. And since then, there's been no looking back. Be it movies, TV, OTT, she's aced every role as a stern Bulbul Johri in Made in Heaven, and now as a single mother in Munjia. She's here, and she's been ruling our hearts. Let's get talking to the lady herself, Mona Singh.
Thank you for a lovely introduction.
Thanks.
Not once I thought about कि ये स्त्री वापस तो नहीं ला देंगे, but what I was definitely sure of that they have aced the universe of horror comedy.
Yeah.
So for them to produce another horror comedy just gives an actor a freedom to experience, to explore, and to try something new and something which they are good at. तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी थी इस बात की कि मुंजिया जैसी मूवी बन रही है, CGI कैरेक्टर होगा मुंजिया, and let's explore, let's try something new. It's one of the best compliments. You know, I also read it somewhere कि या तो तब्बू को ले लो या मोना को ले लो, मूवी में credibility आ जाती है. It is the best comparison. You see, coming from being her biggest fan. I love her work. I have loved her craft. She's always been so inspiring, and she also gets into any kind of role. You give her anything to do and she shines. So उनके साथ जब comparison हो रहा है, is the biggest compliment for me. I hope I get to work with her in the near future. I have a great lineup of shows this year. There will be some, OTT releases that I have. There are some films which will be releasing this year or maybe early next year. I'm not too sure. Abhi post production ka kaam chal raha hai. But I just feel that as an actor, this is the most satisfying phase of my life. It really is, because I'm doing such different and myriad roles. Yeah. It's a phase. Life is full of ups and downs. Till the time you are not, till the time you don't hit rock bottom, you don't enjoy the high side. So I have seen both. I am absolutely okay with it. बीच में एक ऐसा phase था जहाँ पे मुझे खुद ही नहीं समझ आ रहा था that what next, which was I didn't even have any release in 2021. I was for something good to happen and some good to happen my way. So 2022, when Lal Singh came out, when that released, people saw me in a different light. They saw a whole gamut of portrayal. They're like, acha, the lifespan of the mother, which was shown in the film, people took notice of that. And whatever work I did in 2023 was because of Lal Singh. Our director, Aditya Sarpodar, reached out to me after watching Lal Singh.
Yeah, he said.
And he told me that. He's like, I loved you in the movie. So they like that. There were a lot of other makers who reached out to me. And now people are reaching out to me because of Made in Heaven, because of Kala Pani, and now Munjia will also open doors further. For me as an actor, it is never about money. It is about the quality, not quantity and quality, always. नहीं तो मैंने बहुत सारी movies की होनी थी अभी तक, but I did not. So when you are working with a senior person, you get to observe, absorb, listen, learn. When you're working with these fresh faces, you just adapt. They come with so much energy. They come with so much of newness that I was always, sitting at a distance and observing them too and soaking in all their energy. And they were telling me कि अरे मैम आप तो कहीं से मम्मी नहीं लग रहे, आप तो वो senior वाली vibe भी नहीं दे रहे हो, that you are the senior actor and we should be scared. All should have a good good time and create good memories, because that's what it's all about. Yeah.